It's not working. Hello? Hello? Ah, nadungog ra ko? Moingon man gud si Teams kung
Yes,
my
sir.
mic is not working. Ah, okay, nice. Dira man siya. Wala ako mag-presenter view eh. Okay. Okay, there. So good afternoon, everyone. For those who have listened to this lecture already, this will be just a review on the first order ng mga systems. Supposedly, this should have been done pag buntag, but a class was using this room. Okay. So to start off, uh, no, we know that every system, no, when you apply an input, will give you a response, okay, or an output. Now, to review block diagrams, we know that a block diagram is represented with an input, say R of S, applied to a plant, no? So when I say plant, that's mainly your model, no, of the system, no. So let's say, for example, if that's a circuit, no, so your circuit is your plant, okay, producing an output of C of S. And C of S is sometimes called the response of the system. So let's say here, mao niya tong block diagram. So this is the plant transfer function. This one is our input and this is our output. Sometimes, if you have a complicated model, if imong i-synthesize ang complicated model into something that will look like this, no, you can actually get the open loop na system, no. Kini siya, this is an open loop na system. Okay? But we will discuss that in the semifinals. Before that, no, let us first define what are proper net transfer function. So when I say proper net transfer function, no, your indicator is that the degree of the numerator does not exceed, no, the degree of the denominator. So kung pasabot does not exceed, then pwede ka mag-ingon nga equal to or less than. Diba? Ayun na. That's a wrong denotation, no? Less than or equal to. Okay? So let's say nga you have a transfer function, no, nga ang first term kay let's say s to the power of 5. Yan sa denominator kay s
Excuse
to
me,
the power
sir.
of 5 is this. Yes? Unsa man?
Wala mi di makita sa screen, sir.
Mao ba? Wait. Nagana na raise sa hands eh. Di mo kita sa akong kuan? Sa akong scribbles?
Makita na karon, sir.
Kita na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so back to the topic at hand. So let's say I have a transfer function and the numerator has a leading term of s to the power of 5 while the denominator has a leading term of s to the power of 5. Can we call this one a proper transfer function? Yes, di ba? Because this does not exceed the degree of the denominator. However, if we're going to be restrictive on the degree of the numerator, we have what we call a strictly proper transfer function. Okay? So it means that the degree of your numerator must be less than, no? It's less than the degree of the denominator. So s to the power of 5, kana siya na transfer function or s to the power of 5 plus and so on that's a proper transfer function. But if we have a, let's say, s to the power of 3 and so on, all over s to the power of, let's say, 4 and so on, so this is a strictly proper transfer function. Okay? So you try to identify which of the following are proper and strictly proper transfer functions. Which one? This one is a proper transfer function. No? How about this one? Yes, that's a strictly proper transfer function. This one is, that's an improper transfer function. Okay? Normally, when you do a command or if you create a transfer function object in MATLAB, in the command window, ang dawaton kay kini ra o kini, no? When you try to input this one, it will give you an error na the transfer function must be a proper transfer function. But regardless, we can actually just model this one, no? We have ways to go around this one. Okay? Sige. Let's go by output response. No, from your DE classes, kanang output response, that's just actually the solution of your differential equation, no? Di ba kay our system are modeled with differential equations. Pero to make the simplification faster, we use Laplace transforms, no? And by Laplace transform, we set the initial conditions to 0. So that's why mas paspas siya. Okay? So I'm not sure if you've heard of this, but for sure, no, nagkuan mo, nakadungog na mo ni some parts in yung circuits classes. So the first type of response is a forced response. Okay? The other one is a natural response, no? So your forced response, this is attributed to the input, whereas your natural response, that's attributed to your model, no, without an input. So if you do not apply an input, no, sa imuhang model, there's actually still, no, a solution to that differential equation. Okay, di ba ang system, it's coming from a differential equation. No? If you still remember your circuits classes, di ba? Natural response, mao na siya ang imuhang expression or imong equation if you do not have a source, no, sa imong circuit. Okay? In the context sa mathematics, the forced response is called the steady state response. Or in DE, that's what we call the particular solution. The natural response is called the homogeneous solution. Okay? So let's say, for example, I have a series RL circuit without a source. So, di ba, our DE is, let's say, a current flows through there. Di ba, inani ang noun sa ito ang DE equals 0 if wala source, no? So, the solution to that, no, is what we call the homogeneous solution. Okay? If you apply an input, di ba, imong DE, let's say 1 volt, no? Say 1, no? For step nga input, kana siya nga DE, this is now a non-homogeneous nga equation. And what you do with non-homogeneous equations, kaya di ba, you have two types of solution for that, the homogeneous solution and the particular solution. So if you have a source, no, or a kanang input to your system, then that's the time na mo appear ang imuhang forced na response or your steady state response. Okay? So let's review, no, poles and zeros. Let's say I have this transfer function. So meaning our pole will exist at asaman? -5. Pole man. Diba? The pole is the roots of your denominator, no? Ang imong 0, those are the roots of your numerator. And how do you get the roots? You just equate the expression of the numerator or the denominator with 0. So to get the pole, you just do s plus 5 equals 0. Obviously, that's s equals negative 5. Okay? So if you mark that on the S-plane, in complex analysis or complex numbers ninyo na klase, this is sometimes called the Argand diagram. No, but in systems, we call this the S-plane. So the S-plane is consist of a real and an imaginary axis. The real axis is denoted by sigma. The imaginary axis is denoted by j omega. Okay? So of course, we know that negative 5 is real. Diba? Wala man na siya imaginary component. Also, the 0 is real as well. No? If we mark that on the S-plane, we know that the pole is at negative 5. So ang pole, you mark it with an X. No? X na siya. While the 0, you mark it with a circle. Okay? So, di naman na siya confusing kay ang 0, ang noun sa 0, no, butlog. Na. Okay? So let's say I have a transfer function, no? G of S. Diba, to get the transfer function, we know that it's equal to the output over the input. Diba? Output mo na, C of S. R of S is the input. If we apply a step input, R of S, no? A unit step input, 1 over S. Unsa may noun sa itong block diagram? May mo siya, inani. Okay? So, our output is unsa man? Gikan ani. Our output is C of S equals G of S times R of S. Okay? Diba? Klaro na kayo na, no? So, our output, tama na siya. So, we multiply the plant transfer function and the input, no? Which is S plus 2 all over S times S plus 5. Okay. So, kato siya, kini siya, isod man ni siya isod di siya i-explain, no? Kay di man ta ka plot ani yung dayon-dayon. No, the only plot na itong mabuhat ani is the root locus plot and the pole 0, no, or the ZPK map, which will just only for the root locus mag-show ra na siya trajectories for acceptable values of gain, while ang imong pole 0 okay na map, pole 0 ra pud mo makita, di ba? So we need to convert this to the time domain because that is our di ba atong function mas ma-define man nato in terms of time. So how do we convert that to time domain? We use kana sa man na sa may operation para ma-time domain ang C of S. We do
Inverse
an
Laplace, sir.
inverse Laplace transform. Okay? But because the nature of our C of S or output is di siya madali o inverse Laplace, then ato siyang i-decode of S plus 2 all over S times S plus 5 is A over S plus B over S plus 5. No? And how do you get 2/5 and 3/5? Diba? We know that actually depende na ninyo no sa inyong technique. Sa libro mao ning gibuhat. Iyang substitute ang each pole no sa imuhang kini sa imuhang decomposition. So the pole is 0 and 5. Obviously di ka the pole is 0 and negative 5. Obviously di ka mag substitute og negative 5 kani diri dapita. Kaya naman B all over negative 5 plus 5. That's undefined, di ba? So, mahog nga nag-opposite, no? Though this will not always work nga kanang inana no opposite ang gamiton kay what if you have 3 decompositions nana. Okay, pero regardless kung unsa inyuhang pamaagi, it's on you, no? Basta kay sakto ang answer. So we have values of A and B, 2/5 and 3/5. So if we rewrite this, no? Or if we rewrite this, mo na niya to ang output. Pero as I've said, dili man na siya ma-understand dayon. So we convert this to time domain, no? Sa may kuha na ni inverse Laplace. 2/5, di ba? 2/5 no. Okay, di ba ang the inverse Laplace of 1 over s is 1, right? Ana na may 2/5 nga magnitude, no? Or amplitude. So that's just 2/5, no? 2/5 over s. Ana. How about this one? Obviously, no, by our Laplace transform na table, of course, inverse Laplace transform na table, di na ta magkuha na niha, mag-calculus base nga kuan. So that's 3/5 e to the power of negative 5t. Okay? So this is now our output, no? Or our output response. How do we know the response, no? How do we visualize the response? Of course, by plotting your equation. Sige, sige. Okay, we can plot this equation, no? We can either use MATLAB or kung ginahan kag kinaraan nga style, ikaw, no, mag-substitute ka. What is C when t is equal to 0, when t is equal to 1, and so on. No? So that's our system response. Okay? Kini, I will just skip this one kay nag-show raman siya sa pattern and I don't want you to memorize the pattern. Okay? Okay, so let's say for example, we have this system, no? It's an open loop system with the Planck transfer function of s plus 3 all over s plus 2 times s plus 4 times s plus 5. And it's applied with a saman, si tawagan ni. Applied with a si tawagan ni. Ang signal.
Function, sir. Step input.
Unit step, no?
Unit step,
It's
sir.
a unit step na signal. So if we apply a unit step signal to that transfer function, of course, ato ra man lang i-multiply, di ba? No? So that's s over 3, s plus 3 all over s times s plus 2 times s plus 4 times s plus 5. Okay? This one is just an example, no? Kay yeah, for the sake of convenience siguro, iyan ang gi-expandaan. But if we, of course, no, i-expandaan kay para mabawaan mo imuhang unique no nga denominators for your partial fraction decomposition. So of course we know that it's going to be a over s, or kini yung gamit is k1 plus no a constant k2 all over s plus 2 plus a constant k3 all over s plus 4 plus a constant k4 over s plus 5. Okay? So kana wala na lang nagi-solve ang values ana nila. Okay? This is just an example no of what response or what's the expression of the response na imuhang i-expect. So from that, sayo na kayo no, atong inverse Laplace, that's just k1, di ba? C of t is equal to k1 plus saan? K2 e to the power of negative 2t plus k3 e to the power of negative 4t plus k4 e to the power of negative 5t. Okay? Actually, sayo na siya kay kanang real raman ang kuan, real raman imuhang denominator no or binomial ra siya. Okay? Which is kung ikuha nimo ang inverse Laplace, that's just an exponential no na function. Okay? So mao na siya. So this composes of the natural response and this is from the input, no, the force response. Okay? So let's now go to first order systems. So when I say first order system, unsay pasabot ana? You only have how many poles? First order
One,
system, how
sir.
many poles?
Usa, sir.
One pole only. Di ba? Karuan ako, S plus A. Equate mo na to 0. A is just a variable, no? Pero, no, I mean, a constant. No, it can take form, no? O unsa ba ang kuan, unsa ba ang transfer function? So if we evaluate the step response of this system, no, ato makuha kay in this form. Ana, C of t equals 1 minus e to the power of negative at. Okay? So let's say I have t to be defined as 1 over a. So say may tabo dire. Negative a times 1 over a. Negative a times 1 over a.
Negative T na lang siya, sir.
Negative
T, sir.
negative
1.
8 times 1 over a. Saan? Uy. Negative 8 times 1 over a. Hala.
1,
Di
sir.
mo ka ba
Negative 1, sir.
ma-algebra? Tungunli mo, oy. Saban
1,
saan
sir.
Negative 1. No? Negative 1. Okay, so meaning our exponent for the exponent, Euler's number is negative 1. Okay? So when t is equal to 1 over a, we get the value of our c at 1 over a, which is 0.63. Actually, 632 na siya. And the exponential term will be, which is 0.37 if you if you check that in the calculator. Okay. So now let's go to the properties of a first order system. No? So the first order system, for a first order system, katong imong 1 over a, that's the time constant. That's it. Okay? So the time constant, that's the time required for the output to be 63.2%. Or in other words, that's the time for the exponential term to decay up to 37%. No? Kana siya. Pero in terms of the output, it's the time to take 63%, no, of its final value. Okay? So mo ni siya, no? Let's say you have that response plot at the first time constant, kana siya dira dapita, ay mong value sa imuhang C is 63% na. Okay? At the second time constant, na diha, no? Third time constant, na diha, fourth and fifth, no? So beyond the fifth time constant, we can say nga our system is on steady state, no? Okay? So that's the time constant. We also have what we call the rise time. So the rise time is the time for a waveform to go from 10 to 90% of the final value. Okay? So meaning, let's say, no, unsa ang time 1 para mahimo siya 10% of C, and time 2 when the value or when the value is 90% of C. Sorry. Okay? So if we do the math, no, I'll just skip through the derivation. Okay, I have few space, but the rise time is 2.2 over A. Yun sa mga pagkuhan 2.31 over A. So let's just do for one kuan, no. 2.31 A is kuan na siya, that's the time taken to reach from 90, no. Di man ta pwede magsukod og ay dapat man ta magkuha og difference pabaliktad. So 90 to 10. Okay? Di man na difference ang 10 to 90, no? Kay I mean, like realistically speaking ba, it doesn't make sense magkuha kag difference 10 to 90, 90 to 10. Di ba? Pero ang time required is or ang time na imong gitanaw sa rise time is from 10% to 90%. So how do we do this? So that's actually just 0.9 is equal to 1 minus e to the power of negative a t sub 1 or t sub 2, di ba? Kay 9% man. Okay? So how do we go by this? Atong ikuan, rearrange, makakuha tag e to the power of negative a, t2 equals 1 minus 0.9. No? Which is equal to 0.1 e to the power of negative a t sub 2. If we take the natural logarithm of both sides, no? Unsa may tabo? Naog ato ang exponent, no, ni e. So negative a t2, no? ln e is just 1. So times 1 equals ln 0.1. So T2 therefore is equal to ln 0.1 all over or negative ln 0.1 over A. Sige, what is ln 0.1? That's actually 2.31, no? Or near to 2.31. Okay? So kanang 0.11, mao pud na, di ba, ang when your output is 10%. So kana diha 0.1, no? Substitute ra na nimo. Okay, tapos do the same thing, no? So for t sub 1. So the difference of time is 2.31a over minus 0.11a, which is 2.2a. Okay? So kanang a, this is the hug nga pila siya pole, di ba? Kaya itong original ng transfer function, o manino, di ba? The value of a, na. If you have a transfer function nga, let's say, 2 over s plus 3, a ni mo kay 3. But your pole is, saan? Your pole is
Negative A, sir.
negative 3. Dili 0 imong pole. No? Negative 3 imong pole. Your 0, you have no 0. Okay? Wala kay roots, no? Di maka pwede mag 2 equals 0. Does not make sense because that's an expression. Musod mo? Mas maayo. O ba? Kaya na eh. O sa time out sa. Mag-mute sa ko. Okay, basin i-record aning mga si ilan niya ko'y sumbong. Okay. So continue ko. Pwede ra mo magkuan ha, mag-review ani. Actually sa yun ra ni pambata ra ni, no? Review lang mo ani sa kuan slides. Ano mo pag-picture, no? Kaya na naman ni sa kuan. Na naman ni sa canvas. Okay? So let's continue. Okay. So how about settling time? So settling time, that's defined as the time for a response to reach and stay within 2% of the final value. So there are other textbooks, no? By the way, when I say within 2% of the final value, so ang final value kay mo, nasa value nga, pila man, in between 98% to, saman, 102. 102. Diba? 100 pa nimong final value. So, kung within 2%, either 98 or 102. Okay? That's it. Na other books, no nga, ilahang settling time is 5%. So, that's 95 to 105. No? Kaya, mura na siya small margin nga nag-start og settle ang imuhang response. Okay? No? Hence, C of T is 0.98. C of T is 0.98 is the value of the response staying within 2% of the final value. And that's denoted by T of S, which is 4 over A. No? We can actually kanang pwede ta no magingon nga 0.98 equals 1 minus e to the power of negative 80. Diba? Mao man ni atong original response. What is the time, no? For it to reach 98%. So, saan na siya? Same thing. E to the power of negative 80 equals 1 minus 0.98. No? So, that's kung atong lahuson, mahog nga T or TS, let's call that TS. TS is equal to ln of 0.02 all over negative A. What is ln 0.02? I think that's 3 point something. Karang duol siya sa 4. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Pila? 3.91.
91.
Diba?
2.91.
So, actually, 3.91 din na siya. Pero I think the textbook just wants to be kanang kuan nag-approximate lang siya kay diba 4 is kanang sayon siya sa guhon kaysa 3.91. And regardless, no, that's just the settling time. So, parang bahog nga even that's just a very small na change ba 3.91 og 4 3.91A og 4 over A gamay ra kana siya nga change nya in the end no ang settling time ano kay dugol ra kay na sila kung gamay kag 3.91 or 4. Okay? Kay regardless the settling time is just an approximate no nga measure nga kani nga oras no kani nga number of second nag 98% na ang imuhang value. Okay? Okay, let's have an example. A system has a transfer function g of s equals 50 over s plus 50. Find the time constant, settling time, and rise time. Okay, how do we go by this? What is the time constant? 1 over a, which is 1 over
50, sir.
50. Diba? This is s plus a, and this is our gain. No? Okay, wala man na zero atong kuan, ato ang transfer function. How about the settling time? That's 4 over a, which is 4 over 50. Which is, pila? By the way, pila sa aning 1 over 50? 0.02 ba ni? Seconds?
Yes,
How about
sir.
4 over 50?
Yes, sir.
0.8.
0.0.
Oh, did I 0.08 day?
Seconds. No? And the rise time is Sa ganitong rise time, 2.2 over A. So that's equal to 2.2 over 50, which is equal to how many seconds? 0.044 seconds.
0.04.
Ana? Okay. So, unsa mo na siya pag-interpret? So, ang time constant, di ba? That's the time required for your response to reach 63%. How about the settling time? At 0.08 seconds, the value of your response is 98%, no? Or within 2% of the final value. How about your rise time? That's equal to, or the rise time is karang 0.044 seconds. That's the time required for the response to yes, no? So, ang value kay from 10 to 90%. Okay? Mana siya. Okay, how about this one? Ana, find the output response C of t for the system shown below. Plot the response and characteristics of the response using MATLAB. Okay, so let's do a hand na calculation first. So our C of S is equal to R of S times the planned transfer function. So ato ilahos, no? 1 over S times 5 over S plus 5. So this is equal to 5 over S times S plus 5. No? If we decompose this, sama na to ang kuan. We have A over S plus B over S plus 5. No? So we can say that it's equal to 5 equals A times S plus 5 plus BS. No? And we can actually have two equations for this. First equation is 0S is equal to AS plus BS. Diba? No, pwede mo ta mag-insert og 0S dira. No, may mag-vote na to. So meaning A plus B is equal to 0. What else? A times 5, no? No? So 5 is equal to 5A. Meaning A is equal to 1. Diba? Ang value sa A. So, na naman taning equation, A plus B equals 0. A is 1. Meaning B is negative 1. So therefore, our response, no, or before that, our response in the S domain is equal to 1 over S minus 1 over S plus 5. No? Pwede sad ka mag-plus negative 1. Ikaw bahala, no? Pero tricky man na siya. Okay? Okay, basin malimtan mo ay mong negative 1. No? So, the inverse Laplace of this is what? That's C of t. Which ano na yung mahugson, no? Nakasimot mo or? Paliog daw ko simot sa gawas daw. Okay, paliog ko. Namoy ka bang saksak? Okay. Sige. Okay, one tada na ba yung mga equipment dire? Okay. Sige. So our output in the time domain is 1 minus e to the power of negative 5t. Kana, pwede na nato gamitan sa gamitan ng MATLAB, no? Para pang plot. We can have two options. We can do plot, we can do f-plot, no? Ang f-plot tinapulan. Ang plot nasa one step lang na idagdag kay ang argument sa plot sa MATLAB is that you need values of x and y, no, or In this case, we need values of T and C. Okay? So the independent of the dependent variable, no? Ana. Ang f-plot, ay mohang argument ana is just the symbolic na argument, no? Or symbolic na function. Okay? So I'll show that in MATLAB. So I hope no kamo kay mag practice na mo og experiment with MATLAB. Kay in the next meeting we will have an exercise, no? Using MATLAB, and then the next meeting on that, saan yung next meeting? So mahog nga kuan kanang mausa ra inyo activity. Di siya mausa pero mabuhat in 1 day. Sa day na ko nga section, mabuhat siya in 2 days. Kay duha man mi ka meetings. And also, you practice writing scripts, no? Pwede ra ka mag-command window. Pero if you don't want to kanang balikon nimo og type, no? Actually pwede ra ka mag-up kuan kanang up na button, no? Or up nga key kay para imong i-recall. Pero mas maayo script na ka kay kung na kay usbon, ato na hover na lang ka, di ba? Di pareho sa command window, kung imo na na-finalize ka na command, enter ka, di ba na nimo ma-edit. Di ba? Mag-share screen ko. Sorry for the people online. Ay, wala. Sorry. Paano mo nag-say? Sige, sag-change. Sige, sag-extend. Okay. Sige. So, di ba what is... So, ganito itong kuhan. Ako sa i-comment ha para makuha na to. C of t equals 1 minus e to the power of negative 5t. Diba? So, we can do let's say you want to use the plot function. No? By the way, ayaw mo kayo pagsalig sa f-plot. No? Plot na function, ganoon yung gamiton. Kay MATLAB, ang iyang power is when you have matrices. Okay, so let's say, unsa man itong ginahan nga we want to observe C of t in unsa man nga time. Unsa man, 0 to, unsa man, let's say 2 seconds. Ana, no? Nya, para finer atong resolution sa itong output, 0, atong interval kay let's say 0.1, no? To 2 seconds. Ana. Okay? So mag-create na siya og array nga 0 to 2 space equally at 0.1. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on until 2. Okay? So ako na yung suppress kay taas na siya. And then we evaluate the function, no? At t. So c is equal to 1 minus. Kung sa ganito ang exponential sa MATLAB, exp, no? exp negative 5 times t. Okay? Okay, careful, no? We want to have an element-wise nga kanang multiplication. So we put a dot. Okay? Mo error na siya, no? Mo na siya, no? Ato i-suppress. So let's plot this one. What's itong first nga argument? First argument is independent variable. What is the independent variable? T. The dependent variable is C. No more na nag-XY. Diba? So I run this one. Mo na ni, no? This is how the step response of the tensor function look like. No? Okay. Okay, what if I use an f-plot? no? Using fplot. Ana. So sa fplot, let's clear our variables. No? We define a symbolic variable t. Diba? And then, define c. No? So c is equal to 1 minus e exponent negative 5 times t. Okay? Fplot ka c. No? Pwede ka mag-set interval, no? Comma, bracket, 0 to, let's say 2. Okay, sometimes ang fplot, iya mag-re-understand nga si c kay nasa values time less than 0. Ya, di ba sa system, lisod man na nato tanaw no ang response at time before 0. Kay di man ta maka-backtrack no in real life. Ikaw makabalik kag 1 second ago. Dili, di ba? No? So this is now the plot, no? Ana. Pero there's another thing. Di ba? Unsa man to siya sa katong nag-advance. You can use the step, no? Step nga command. Ang step nga command ay mong argument is a transfer function. Okay? So let's clear this one or clear the workspace. So our transfer function is, di ba? So to fifth. No. Plant transfer function. Di ba 1 over s plus 5? 5 over s plus 5. No? So let us define a transfer function g. No? That's a transfer function object. So duha ato ang argument sa transfer function, numerator o denominator. TS is I think the sampling time, pero later na siya. No? So the transfer function, the numerator is unsa man? No? Pwede ta 0, 5. Pwede po ta 5 lahos, no? Pero sige, let's do 0, 5 kay mahug man nga 0s plus 5 gihapon. 0, 5. The denominator is, what are the coefficients of the denominator?
1, 5, sir.
1 and 5. Positive 5. So 1 and 5. Okay? And then we take the step response. Okay? So let's say mag-section break ko dere para di na siya murang. Ana, no? Let's run this one. Amo ni atong transfer function. Amo na ni atong step response. Okay? Pero sa live script, ang plot sa amuhang step response di ko ka right click. Di ko ka right click ana, no? Sa button. Pwede ta dire. Step G. No? Mao na siya. If I right click, gawas ni nga menu, no? So if we check the time characteristics, let's say I want to know the rise time. Pila ganito tong rise time? Rise time is, wala, buta nag-solve. What is the rise time? Rise time is equal to TR is equal to 2.2 over, which is 5. So this is equal to 0.44 seconds. And our settling time, that's 4 over 5, no? So 0.8 seconds, di ba? Kung ginaan juga straight, that's 3.91 over 5. So, ini atong right click characteristics niya, gi-check na to ang rise time. If I hover to that point, the rise time is 0.439, no? Which is close, di ba? Check ta sa ato ang settling time, 0.782, which is close. Okay? Pila ang 3.91 over 5? 782, di ba? So, ang exact yun kay 3.91. Pero for approximation, let's just use 4. Kaya mas dali masaguan ng 4 kaysa 3.91. Okay? Siya. So, how do we interpret the plot? Meaning, the response of that system will go from 10% to 90% in about 0.44 seconds. No, para rise time. No, mana siya na kay grid or division. Okay, how about this one? This is within 98%, no? Actually, you can go to properties. If the problem moingon siya nga set the settling time to be within 5%, so you just go to properties and you go to options. Okay? Show settling time within blah blah blah. Show rise time from 10 to 90%. Okay? Siya. Easy peasy. Ini, so this will be a self-practice na sa inyo ha. Okay? Oh, you use transfer function na nga technique, no? Ayun, nagganang pag-circuits nga mag-ride pa ka sa DE. So actually, you can model, unsa ganito ang transfer function sa RC nga circuit. Hala, sa where is my, there. Unsa ganito transfer function sa RC nga circuit? Actually, ako, nasaguna din ako kasi ginabalik ani. Pero the transfer function of a circuit, of an RC circuit, no, is equal to 1 over RC all over S plus 1 over RC. No, you can derive that one. Okay? Pero kamo bahala, no? Mas mayo, you go over the analysis. Okay? Yeah, di ba? Ang second order, kung second order ka nga circuit, that's 1 over LC all over S squared plus R over L S plus 1 over LC, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, pero saguna na nako. Okay? Muna siya. Questions? Questions? Sige, so padayon ta with the next na topic, no? Which is time response of control systems 2. Okay? Okay. So let us now go to time response of control system. So ayan daw ko ning annotate sa kuan. Annotate. Annotate. Uy, Piki. Starting annotations for everyone. Only I can annotate. Kay basi magsuwat mo dira og ulok. Try. Okay. Tira, inani. Makakuan ba ko? Maka-down ba ko? Wala, di ko ka-control sa... ini. Ini. Ay, pati. Oh my loads. Oh, di ko kakuan. So, mag-stop kog annotate. Yan, mag-scroll. Yan, mag-annotate na po ko. Loading pag yun. Okay. Anyway, later na ang annotations. Ay, sorry. Stop sharing. Ako na lang i-record. Okay. So, let's continue, no? Ang naman tag first order systems, ari na punta og second order nga systems. So, if you have a second order system, how many poles do you have? 2, di ba? Klaro kayo, no? From the degree of your denominator. Okay, so this is an example of a second order system, no? If we take the step response of a second order system, we can actually get either an overdamped, critically damped, or underdamped, or undamped nga response. Okay? So, unsa man na siya? I'm pretty sure you've heard this from your circuits 2 classes before, no? So, let's go over them. Let's review first, no? Mga second order DE. Okay. I think this is non-homogeneous. So, if you have distinct na real roots, no? Homogeneous nga DE, so meaning 0. 0 ang imong right side. Let's say you have distinct real roots. Sabot sa distinct real roots, real, no? Real roots, pero lahi-lahi. Okay? No? Tapos atong general solution, ang pattern sa general solution is C1 e to the power of R1x plus C2 e to the power of R2x. Okay? Kana sila, di ba? Kana ang mga roots. Mo ba na tong poles? Ba? How about equal real roots? No? Diba? Ang now nga na is C1 e to the power of R1x plus C2x e to the power of R1x. No? Okay? Equal na sila. How about complex conjugate, meaning a pair of complex number? So when you say pair, dapat ang sign between them is the opposite of the other. Okay? And your solution for that is the combination of an exponential and a cosine and sine nga quantity. Okay? So review na niya, di na kung prove ani kay na naman sa DE. So let's say for example, we have this control system, no? So how do we go by this? What are our poles? Say poles na to. Say pole na to. That's gamitin yung calcu. Hala. Say poles na to sa itong system.
Negative 1.146.
Dili. Sige, give me the kuan. Poles. S1 is equal to gamita ang calcu. Mode 5. 3. Negative 1.15 og
15.
Negative
7.85.
85. Unsa may nature sa roots? Ay, unsa may nature sa pole? Distinct. Real ni or not? Real, di ba? These are real, na? So atong poles kay negative 1.15 og negative 7.85, no? Hindi mo na nagkuha ng roots anong denominator. Ang response nato, however, is in the form of inani, di ba? Let's say K1, no? K1 plus K2 e to the power of negative 1.15t plus K3 e to the power of negative 7.85t. Ay, wait. Sakto ba? Sakto. Ay di. Sakto ba? Or positive de? Kalibog na niyo maestro. Ah, sakto, sakto, sakto. Sakto, uy. Saktor de, saktor de. Okay, so mo na ang naon sa itong response. If we plot that response, overdamp na siya. And I'll show that later on. Okay? Ah, wait. You know what? Let's just do it now. Let's go to MATLAB. Let's stop annotating. Sa itong transfer function, 9 over s squared plus 9s plus 9. No? So let's say, ako na lang ning usbon, no? This is 9 over s squared plus 9s plus 9. No? Na. Okay? Ito lang ning i-comment. So atong transfer function, kana, ano na. Diba? So if I call a step command, so may naon sa overdamp. Pinana. Okay? Pero, I'll let you compare with another response po no nga, very similar looking with an overdamp na response. Okay? So this is the response of your transfer function. Kana, no step response. Sir, unsa na mo sir, if ginani makabaw sa output katong expression yun. Okay, so how do you do that? Let's comment this one, no? Kung sa ato ang G gani, G or let's define S as symbolic, no? So G is equal to 9 over S squared plus 9S plus 9. Diba? Imuhang C, sa kita yung C, the input times the transfer function. No, the plant transfer function. Kung saan man itong R? 1 over S, no? So 1 over S times G. Okay? So to get the time domain, that C equals I Laplace. Okay? So I Laplace of T nga dako. Okay? So let's run this one. Uy, mao na siya. Ay, gano'n ni. Squared. Mao na siya. No? Ano hyperbolic nito? I know. Wala niya gi-express as awa. Di ba? R is a no. Ito ay plot daw. Ito ay F plot. Kung same ba sila. Diba sila nasa iyo ko ano ba? F plot C. Uy, yun naman eh. G, C. Diba C is 1 over S times G. C is the inverse Laplace of C. So let's F plot C from, let's say, 0 to 3. Pareho na tayo. Okay? Kung ato ning ipadako maayo, let's say, 9. Ana, siya. Okay, so mo ni ganiha, di ba? Ito ang plot. That's just the same thing. Ang yang gibuhat kay iyan ning di ba supposedly atong response kay mga ino. Ay, wag tang man ang annotation. Di ba kung ano to? K1 plus K2 e to the power of something plus K3 e to the power of something. Di ba? I forgot the kuan no nga. Katong mga i nato actually na-convert siya to hyperbolic signs. No, hyperbolic sign o hyperbolic nga cosine. Pero naa kay command ana sa MATLAB nga ginahan ka i-express nimo ang imong function as let's say a combination of exponential lang na terms. No? So pwede na siya. I forgot unsa lang jud to. Nagamit ko ato, nakalimot lang ko. Okay, just read along the documentation. Regardless, no? This is the same as katong e nga k2 e to the power of something plus k3 e to the power of something plus k1. Okay? Siya. Let's continue. Okay, so how about this one? What are the poles? What are the poles? Mode 5, 3. Grabe.
-1.
What's to? S1 is
-1
-1
plus
plus
2.83 I.
And the other one is -1 no nga naatay solution in the form of cosine of sine. Diba? So atong response, atong step response, klaro kaayo nga that's K1 plus K2 e to the power of negative, let's say, taas mong good calculate. So, -1, no? Actually, -1 siya. Negative t cosine of 2.83 t, di ba? Plus K2, K3 e to the power of negative t sine 2.83. Ano na siya ang now sa tuang response. No? So kaniya please lang ko validate kay kasi ako na sa pud ba. Okay? Ano itong gi-expect? Okay? So let's draw no how will the response of this look like. Okay? So I will erase this one and let's stop annotating. And I'll go to MATLAB. Wait. Stop naman. Okay. Sige, ito itong transfer function. G is equal to TF. Ito. Nine. 1, 2, 9. Okay? So let's define that.